Dang it, I did the wrong panel. Can you believe it? I knew that was gonna happen.
Hey, yeah, no cheese. You know we're not rocking with that lactose, baby. Yeah, push that dairy product all the way to the side. Come on, yeah.
All right, we're hanging the wall panels that I had printed up at HangTime Store. So these are 64 inches tall by 48 inches wide. It's 6 panels. Each panel is 16 inches by 32 inches tall. And I got my laser mark that'll give me a point where I'm about 1 inch to 2 inches from the ceiling, 64 inches from this point right here. And I'm using easy anchor. So these are drywall anchors. All right, so you just screw them into the wall and you don't even need a drill. And if I hit a stud, then I'll back it out and use a screw directly into the stud. Yeah, because I can see you using a drill and then it'll just rip right through, and we don't want that. Oh, it's a Shanash. All right, so this is the bottom. That'll go right there. So I'm going to set those 2 screws in now, and then I can keep that in place while I figure out where I have to drill for the next holes, and I'll just mark with pencil where I have to do that. I figure this will be the easier way to do this. All right, so now we can get to putting our marks in where we need to drill. And then it'll be easier for the next row, because the next row I can literally just stack it right on top and then get my marks in there and put in my anchors. And the hole in the back of the panel where the screws secured, it's got it looks like it's 3/8 of an inch of distance that you can slide the panel left and right if you put the screw in the middle. You can slide it like 3/16 to the left or to the right. All right, so that makes that easy. So then we'll get this panel up here. Okay, so you can see our holes there.
Yeah. It's no cheese gang all day, every day. Yeah. We don't play with none of that. No mozzarella, no cheddar, no Swiss. Yeah. What you know about my life? Ain't no cheese, stay within my sight. No, it's not a game, you gon' pay the price. I've been off my meds, but I'll be alright. Just right, with the cheeseless fridge, I'm good. Hope you all know when it's understood. Give me some respect, yeah, I think you should. Don't bring no cheese up inside my hood. What's good with my vegans, they know what I mean. I still eat meat, but at least we agree. Cheese ain't the way, yeah, it's too obscene. Tied in my girlfriend's fridge, it was green. Had to break up, cause shorty ain't the one. Wish I knew what you were really about from the jump. I am not the chump, so the shorty got dumped. Wash my mouth out quick, after that I got drunk. Yeah, I will never eat no cheese. That just ain't for me. So, if you wanna keep your teeth, I suggest you get away from me. This is not a game. You don't know my pain. So, if you wanna keep on playing, best believe I'ma make a scene. Some say I lost my mind. I don't really care, cause I feel just fine. The problem ain't me, I just live my life. But y'all keep telling me the same old lies. Cheese is a fool like everything else. Trying to confuse me, destroy my health. But I'm no fool, I can see for myself. I never put a crumb of that cheese in my mouth. No doubt, I'ma stick to my same old diet. For a couple million, I still won't try it. Wouldn't take a piece even if I was dying. Meet me face to face if you think I'm lying. Quiet yourself, I don't care what you say. I rock, there is no cheese. If it was a law, I would still disobey. Bite your hand off if you put it in my face, okay. will never eat no cheese. That just ain't for me. So if you wanna keep your teeth, I suggest you get away from me. This is not a game. You don't know my pain. So if you wanna keep on playing, best believe I'ma make a scene. Yo, my dog, stop trying to get me to eat the cheese. I'm never gonna eat the cheese, bro. Get back, I'm not gonna eat the cheese, bro. If I gotta get locked up again, I'll get locked up again. No cheese, gang, ain't a thing gon' change. I gave up hope, I punched them in.
Yeah, buddy. So I got the panels from the HangTime Store installed. It's looking sweet. Yeah, I'm really digging it. So thank you for the HangTime Store for processing my order. So yeah, it's looking good. So this area here is right where my plasma CNC build is going to happen, and it's going to be. So we'll see what happens with this when the plasma CNC gets cranking, but it's something I'm pleased with. And that's Uncle Eddie. Uncle Eddie. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. So I went from Uncle Eddie in a couple of memes with me, GIFs, to now he's on my jacket, and now he's everywhere. Uncle Eddie. Installation of the Wall Control panels supplied by the HangTime Store with my image on there that I produced, and you got Uncle Eddie on there too. I don't do it, you do it. So this it was easy to hang up. I ended up using different anchors. I wasn't aware that they shipped with anchors. It's pretty cool that they did. I wish I knew that before I went out and bought them. Of course, I'm not one to look through packaging to know for sure, but the anchors I ended up using were Easy Anchor drywall anchors, and I don't know if it saved me any time, but at first I was like, okay, I don't want to use the drill, but then it really made sense to use the drill, even though it says no drill required. You don't really need a drill, but you can use a Phillips screwdriver number 2. But it definitely made it quicker. I was able to get up the panels pretty quickly. Once I got the first panel set, then it was just a matter of following the grid pattern so that, you know, you could see, you just keep following along to make sure everything is in alignment. If I had more than 3 panels wide, it would be more challenging, and I would be a little bit more methodical about doing that, because you can propagate an error, and then by the time you get down to the end, you know, it's wacky. So the ceiling is not level. This is level because I set this with my laser level. So, but I can double check that with my torpedo level. Yep, so we are level here. So when I use my torpedo level, I'm looking dead on, and it is within the bubble. But you can see the ceiling is a little bit different. It's a little bit taller over there where the panels are. Hey, that's just the way you roll. This isn't exactly level either, this line here. So I just chose a point from here that would give me pretty much in the center. So this should be, it's 48 inches wide, I believe. So this is like 5 inches and 5 1/8 inches. And this is like 5 1/2 inches. So it's pretty close. And where my cameras are going to be, pretty much they're going to be looking at whatever I'm building, and then the wide shot will be with the GoPro that'll catch this in the background. So yeah, thank you again to the HangTime Store for processing my order. You guys rock. So we'll see more of this, because I got another set of panels, different image. This is a hint, and then it'll be on the opposite wall. So yeah, that's it. The YouTube workshop studio is in effect. Now I can begin building the plasma CNC. Yeah, buddy.